What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Damien Dupee, #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on infill lots, bringing you some more epic wild content. Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I appreciate you. Salute. If you go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn your notification bells on so you won't miss any more epic wild content from your boy. Also, if you find anything valuable from this content, go ahead and drop me a comment after you finish watching this video, and I'll respond to you when I get a chance. All right, couple announcements before I get into this video on how to run comps using Propstream. If you are local to the North Carolina area and you want to come check me out, I'm basically hosting a local meetup once a month, last Friday of every month. It will be this month, October 29th, 6 to 8 p.m. Another announcement, JV program wide open. If you want a JV, if you're trying to get a deal, please see the link in the description for hunting criteria and deal submission. Hunting criteria will show you all the areas and all the filters that I use when pulling data. And the deal submission will allow you to send opportunities to me so I can evaluate them and give you feedback, and we can possibly JV on the deal. Last but not least, if you need a course, I do have a free course that teaches you how to hunt, delinquent tax lots, how to find opportunities, how to make something out of nothing. That link is in the description. It's a Udemy course. It's called Off Market Land Deals, free 99, donut, don't cost you nothing. Nautica. So holla at your boy. You know I believe it's better to give than receive. All right, jumping right in. Today I'm gonna be talking about basically running comps on Propstream. If you've seen the video before this, I showed you how to run comps using Zillow, and let's go. All right, so basically we're texting people over here. These are SMS leads, and this person is basically asking, what do you define favorable? The first thing I'm going to do is find the address, and I'm going to look it up on the GIS. All right, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try to get an address. As you can see, this is a 5.5, no, almost 6 acre piece, but looks like it got water running on it. All right, long story short, I don't see no play here because this is the frontage, and do have a little access here. You might be able to do a mini subdivision in here. If you can come in from this access, you might have to run a road, leave this over here as common space, leave all this as common space, and kind of do a minor subdivisions where you can possibly get, you know, maybe 4 to 6 lots here. Okay, not sure, but that looks like a play, a minor subdivision. So all right, let's run comps on this property. Again, this is not an ideal property to run comps on, so let me try to find a infill lot. This is more of a acreage, if you will. So let me try to find an infill lot. This person, we're asking them, do they want to sell their lot? They're saying $155,000 firm. All right, let's run the comps. We know it's in Charlotte, North Carolina, Mecklenburg County. I'm aggressively hitting this market. Address is right here. All right, running comps in Propstream is pretty easy. As you can see, it filled in the address. The first thing I do is click on details. Okay. Let me put eyes on a lot real quick just to see. Okay, it looks good. All right, cool. Nice neighborhood, established neighborhood, nice homes. Okay, cool. All right, like that. All right. Second thing I'm gonna do is hit comparables and nearby listings. Okay. Actually, before I do that, I want to go to link properties. And you might say, what is this, Damien? This allows you to see what else do the owner owns. And as you can see, wow, my family is from Cheraw, South Carolina, and he has lots down there in Cheraw. The reason why I know it's lots, because it does not have a complete address. As you can see, this is another lot. I got family in Florence. He has property in Florence. Okay, cool. All right, Cheraw. Man, I might got to give him a call, man. I might know him, or he might know my peoples. or maybe not. But yeah, link properties show you everything else they own. So always, it's a good thing to invest in Propstream because when you not like have a software like this where you can just hit a click of a button and see everything someone owns, you could have to go through extra steps. And I'm gonna give you an example of that. If we were in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we wanted to see everything he owned, the only catch is it will only show me what he owns in Charlotte, North Carolina. So the difference is Propstream allows you to see nationwide. Okay, this person only owns one lot, so the difference between investing in twos and free twos is you're able to see what someone owns nationwide. Okay, all right. So let's get back to the comps. I thought I would just add that value add to you, if you will. All right. So public record means off market, meaning it wasn't listed with a realtor or a broker. MLS meaning the multiple listing service, meaning it was listed with a realtor or broker. And then we have both. Okay. All right. So I want to see both. Okay. I always want to see both. I like to see both. I always start with a half a mile, but I hyper focus on vacant land. And once I do that, I kind of see what these lots are trading for. So he want 155. Again, he's a little bit over market. Okay, 135 looks like somebody paid 170, so it might be a play there. It just might be a play. If he want 155 and we can move it for 170, that's a $15,000 assignment. All right, so but I do not think this was an MLS move. Again, somebody bought this in 19 for $170 and they financed it. So that's what I was looking for, whether it was a cash deal or a finance deal. Okay. And the reason, let me break down the difference between a cash deal and a finance deal. A cash deal is not contingent on no appraisals, no approvals. A finance deal is, it typically takes a little longer. It can take up to 60 days, 90 days, especially with dirt. So something like this, he's right at market. I wouldn't even mess with him. Um, be a waste of my time, to be honest with you. But I am curious to see. I think I kind of stop at 1 mile radius. I am curious to see what else is trading within a mile radius in that pocket. All right, I don't see anything trading right there in that pocket within a 1 mile radius. I do see more stuff trading, but I like to keep the comps as close to the subject property as possible. I like to keep them as close to the subject property as possible. Another beautiful thing I like about uh, PropStream is it shows me where my lot is, and I can drive it, meaning I can see it. Like, this is how you verify the topography. As you can see, this lot has great topography. Topography is basically how the land lays, meaning the terrain of the property, meaning if it's flat, if it's hilly, if it's slopey, is it a drop, is it a ditch? So definitely, I love that value add in regards to using PropStream to run comps. I do love PropStream because they will show you new construction, foreclosures, cash, and bank owned property. So I do love that. This one I'm gonna keep it moving. I ain't gonna be a groupie. Um, and let's get to the next one. All right. So go ahead and go back out. So that was Brian Jackson. Let's go with George Gatham. Okay, this person says they want 75 to 80,000. All right, I got the property address here. All right, I'm gonna do the same process over and over. I'm gonna just put the street on there, and then as you can see, PropStream automatically picks it up and know that it's in Charlotte, North Carolina. All right, another thing I'm gonna do is details. All right, MLS details. All right, so what I love about Propstream is it can show me if this person been trying to sell this property. Okay, as you can see, this person pulled it off the market February 2021. It's set for 864 days, so they may be thirsty. You feel me? And when I mean thirsty, meaning they might be trying to move it. But as you can see, his expectations is unrealistic because he's saying yes, 75 to 80. But Mr. George, with all due respect, you just had your properties on the market for 864 days, okay? Mr. George, you had it on the market from 2018 to 2021, and you ain't selling, and you still playing games, Mr. George. Come on here. Stop playing games here now. All right. So, again, he in Cali. He playing games. I don't know why he playing games. He know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I love the way I can see how much he bought it for, when he bought it. 37 Racky Yakis. He bought it from United States of America. That is interesting. How do you buy land from the United States of America? Let me put that on my to-do list. Man, he bought this land from the United States of America. All right. And let's go to the comps, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm getting sidetracked here. Again, always do both. Stay at the half a mile to see the activity. Vacant land. And my subject property is over here. It's always red. All right. I'm seeing a 1 way over there. I don't know what that is over there. Is that a lot? All right, that's new construction. Okay. Anytime you see red, that's new construction. So that's what they're selling for. I think old buddy too. He just a little. All right. So when you run a comp, you want to kind of swap the amount. If you hit the amount, it's going to show you, I guess, the lesser amount to the greater amount. So let me try to do this again. All right, cool. All right, so I'm not really seeing no comps right here for old buddy. Number 14, what that be like? 210. See, I don't think these are just lot sales. They're too high. Because the new construction selling for 290. I mean, this lot is probably. So sometimes you got to bucket out to 1 mile. And again, I usually keep the default filters to 1 year. All right. So again, I went out 1 mile and let me click the sold amount. Okay. So what I did was within 1 mile, I just basically clicked the amount and it showed me the comps that's more realistic. So 29, 37, these comps are more realistic to probably, what this lot would trade for. Okay. Anytime you see these high numbers, you always want to beware that, it could be that type of neighborhood, but more than likely it's not that type of neighborhood. It's probably home sales that's on the lots. And as you can see, these are probably cash sales that people bought these lots cash. As you can see, the green represents cash. That represents cash, and this is new construction. All right. So, if I was to make an offer to this guy, I'm not even gonna waste my time. I mean, again, time is one of my most valuable assets. I'm gonna keep it moving on him, 75 to 80, because he playing. You know what I'm saying? Like he playing games. You hear me? And he need to stop playing games because he wasting my time. You hear me? Or I might be wasting his time texting him. But again, it's assessed at 45. And I highly encourage you to cross-reference, run it on Zillow and run it on Propstream. Cross-reference your comps. They give you the best chances of finding something sold to see if the lot makes sense. All right, 45,000. Okay. They're saying this lot sold for 99,000. All right, so he might be on to something. That's 2020 though. All right, so I want to take the 2 years off. I want to stay back to 12 months, which is 1 year. And I'm seeing a comp. Yeah, ain't nothing shaking. Yup, ain't nothing shaking. So I don't know why this lot right here done sold for 320 bands. Okay, I mean I got to be, I mean what's going on with that? And see, it's a house on it. When you see something gray on it, it's typically a house on it. But it looked heavily wooded. I'm not sure. Sometimes people put those high amounts in there for tax purposes. Don't get me the line. I have no clue. But let's check out another property on Propstream and let's see what we can come up with. All right, let's try Mr. Albert out. Mr. Albert. He won $350,000 for the lot. Uh, I mean, it is what it is. I pulled the whole Charlotte. I pulled the whole Charlotte, so I'm probably hitting some $1 million neighborhoods here. That's probably why you're seeing these crazy comps come up there like that. As you can see, Zillow automatically pulled it. I wasn't able to get a hit on the address, even though it auto fulfilled it. So typically, what you want to do is you want to go to the county GIS. Oh, there you go. So I tried it again. Woodval Place details. All right, let's see what we got. He won 350. He bought it for 200 bands in 2000. And no, he didn't. Stevens, AM. No, he didn't. All right. Always go to what else he owned. Might be interested in something else. But we here for the comparables. Both property class, vacant land, and we're still in that half-mile radius. This is a high-end neighborhood, man. This dirt sell for that bag over there. You hear me? 2 and 3. Yeah, but not that much. Yeah, he's smoking crack. Why you gotta be so high, man? So I'm seeing 275 for some dirt. My friend actually lives on this street on Katona. Shout out to Elizabeth. Hey, Lizzo. All right, so let me sort this. Again, last sales amount was 200,000. I see why he's trying to get 350, but I think he's overpriced. I really, really do think he's overpriced. He might not never see that 350 ever, 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 ever. But he might. So one is 115. Yeah, I don't see it. 4, 275. That's on my French Street. Whoa, that dirt is 275. Um, yeah, this is a nice little pocket, man. This is a nice little pocket. I just think he's overpriced, way overpriced. And if you go to the tax situation, you see like it's assessed for 200. He want 350. Now he way up. So again, that's how you run comps on PropStream. There's a lot of different, you know, links and stuff you can click on to kind of give you intel into the property. Hope that was able to help somebody out. You heard me? Somebody. So you could be so kind. If you haven't subscribed by now, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, 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 share. You know anybody trying to get in the lane game? Listen, I love to bless their socks off with some epic wild content. Free course in the description. Tell everybody you know, your cousin, your uncle, everybody, anybody, whosoever will can get this. You hear me? Again, I'm still on a mission to help 1,000 plus people do their first deal. I know I've probably helped a handful of people so far, but I'm still before the year's out, before 12/31/21. I want to help more and more and more, more and more and more. All right. So thank you for tuning in. Appreciate all of y'all. Thank you. Holla at your boy. I'm gone like the wind.